How to fix WeChat unusual network or device environment. Now, this specific issue or problem occurs or happens if you logged into another device, or if that device that you logged in has a VPN that is turned on. So troubleshooting steps you want to do is turn off the VPN and try to rerun the application again. If the issue still persists, now you can go ahead and try to clear cache from the application itself. Now on your WeChat app, just simply tap and hold and go directly to the eye icon. And then in here, scroll down till you find clear data. Now this specific error is requiring us to do both, which is going to be clear all data and clear cache. So just comply with both of these options, and again, if the issue still persists, then just simply uninstall the application and try to reinstall it again. Once you have successfully installed it, ensure that you're running the latest version of WeChat and try to relog into your account. So those are the basic troubleshooting steps for you to fix WeChat unusual network or device environment.